Hey, what's up, y'all? It's Jen. I'm a content creator based in LA, and we are here today with IPSY celebrating Pride, and I'm so excited. I'm going to share with y'all my go-to Pride makeup look. I'm going to be using the Formula C Glamgasm Face and Eye Palette. You could find this in the June IPSY bag. Let's open it. I love how there's like an iridescent packaging. That's very cute. And with this palette, it is not just for the eyes. You can also use it in the face. There's a blush, there's a highlight, and I'm really excited. She's really pretty. This is very neutral, but you could still make a statement with her. For this look, we are first going to use Baddie. It's a transition shade. I'm so excited for Pride this year. This is my third Pride, I believe, I'm going to be attending. I bring the B in LGBTQ, by the way. And if you don't know what the B stands for, it's for bisexual. I love June just because I feel like Pride Month is so much fun. Everyone's out. Everyone's so proud of who they are. There's such an amazing sense of community. It's just like the energy of all of us just coming together. Allies, friends, lovers, besties, sisters, tias, everybody in between. I'm an eyeliner queen, so for this look, I have to have my liquid eyeliner. So I'm gonna do a little simple wing. Eyeliner is such a big part of like my beauty routine because I started doing my eyeliner, I believe like in middle school or in high school. My eyeliner back then used to be very thick and very chunky, which is not a bad thing. We all start from somewhere. It's always this side that never wants to match, but it's okay. Remember, they're cousins. They don't have to be twins. Eyeliner has been such a big part of my makeup routine just because it reminds me of like my mom and my aunts growing up. They would always have like this beautiful like eyeliner, and it used to be just always like liquid eyeliner. And once I got older, I was like, wait, I want to look just like them. And here we are. So today I'm really excited to play around with some eyeshadow colors because it's Pride. We're here to have fun, okay? We are doing a Bi Flag inspired eye look. So the Bi Flag, it is a hot pink, I believe. It's a violet and a blue, like a deep kind of navy blue type of thing. Last year I was in New York City and I experienced the Pride Parade there, and it was so electric. And I was invited to be on the Pride float for a brand, which was really fun and super exciting and just really cool. You really want to pack in the colors so they could pop. Cute. Okay, and you want to fluff her out. This year I'm so excited for Pride because I want to be outside, okay? I want to be at all the parties. I want to be at every single parade, every single event. I want to be with my friends. I want to celebrate with my partner. So anyway, so you want to fluff her out, and you get this like really cute Bi Flag smoky outer corner look. Last but not least, with the Formula Z, because it is face and also eye, we're going to use a highlighter which is called Rowdy. Ooh, because we're rowdy for summer. So we're going to use this brush and we're just going to use it in the inner corners like that. Dust off all the excess. You're going to put it in the inner corner. Oh, that's so pretty. And there you go. Let us know in the comments how you're celebrating Pride this year, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Bye, y'all.